that like I'm stretching out from there. Yeah. That's it. Good. That's it. Opening right up. Look at that. See all the tension leaving? Oh, I'm stretching out to normal.
It's like, open your mouth.
Okay, hold on. Let me take care of your little brother first. Now look at that. Now he's still opening up even more. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, so good. Yeah. Yeah, all done. All done. Yeah, look at it now. He's just wide open again. Very good. Yay.
Now, huh?
Yes.